What's up, guys? This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal, back for some more musing on metal. Today is our second look at 303 stainless steel. This time, 303 SE, okay, which uses selenium, okay, selenium 303 SE instead of sulfur to enhance the machining characteristics. This austenitic stainless steel alloy is considered to be one of the broadly defined 18-8 stainless steels. The selenium addition increases the machinability of this grade while maintaining additional ductility for cold working or cold forming. Where the corrosion performance is adequate, the benefit is in fabrication of the productivity of machined components. 303 SE can vary in its magnetic response depending on actual chemical composition and any cold work present. It should not be used for critical non-magnetic applications. Strength can be increased by cold work during mill production, but not by heat treatment. No heat treatment. The solution annealed condition, aka condition A, provides the best corrosion performance. The high tensile strength condition is solution annealed and then cold worked to achieve the required properties, aka condition B. Okay. Now 303 SE has UNS designation S30323. The density is 0.29 pounds per cubic inch with a mean coefficient of thermal expansion from 32 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit of a 9.6 microinch per degree Fahrenheit with a machinability rating of 78%. And again, that is against the alloy 1212. Find a link to that video on machinability in the description. Now for the chemistry, we're going to do what we've been doing the last few weeks. We're going to show you. Okay? There. You want more info? You want to see it in text format? You want to read it? Please feel free to click on the link in the description to access this on our website. That's it. That's all she wrote. Chemistry. See ya. Mechanical properties of the high-strength cold-worked condition vary with the diameter. Smaller sizes achieve higher strength than larger diameters. So for comparison, we're going to go the mechanical properties of the annealed condition to the mechanical properties of the high tensile condition B. Okay? And so what do we got? On the annealed properties, we have a yield strength of 35,000. We have a tensile strength of 80,000 psi, an elongation of 50%, and a reduction of area at 55%, right? And for the condition B, the mechanical properties for the 1 inch are a yield strength of 65,000 psi and a tensile strength of 105,000 psi with a 20% elongation and a 35% reduction of area. Compare, contrast, do what you will. Now, specifications. What do we got today? We got AMS 5640 type 2. Okay. We got AMS 5738. We got ASTM A582. And we got ASTM A320. That's it. That's all we got today. What are we going to tell you now? That additional specifications and part requirements can alter what we've shown you here today. So for time number 71, video 71, what am I going to say? Check. Yeah, check. The specs. Check. No. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. Michelin Metals is a distributor of and supplier of 303 SE. If you've made it this far, haven't subscribed, click here if you may. Missed last week's video? There we go. Okay? So this is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I will see you next Thursday, 10 a.m. I'm out.